Welcome to Stonehands. My name is Simo. Today, you are going to know how to attain your deepest desires in life. On this very moment, I am writing a book called The Money is the Essence of Luck. So maybe you understand where we are heading on this very moment. The basis of attaining anything is an entrepreneurial mind, a wish to do a business. And on this case, it's all about conscious business. Like Brian Tracy says in his Millionaire Habits, you have to focus on writing down your goals, on present tense, and you can achieve anything. For furthermore, it also needs your determination, as we come from a system which is based on trading your time for money. Like in school, when we are small children, we are taught that we must behave correctly, we must tick the correct boxes and have the right answer for each question. But if they will teach in schools that opposite of a right answer could be the right answer, the opposite of wrong answer could be the wrong answer. You see where I'm heading? That there should not always be plus and minus, but a wholesome conceptualization of life itself. And individualistic approach in the schools is making children go mad. Like 78% of suicides nowadays is male suicides, because they learn in schools that they must be for themselves, they must fight and stand for their own rights. But no, we are collective species. We need to go work, go exist, and live in communities. And if in the school we are taught that you, only you, must find out the right answer, the entrepreneurial kids, they try to work together and find solutions and how get away from the glass, actually, you see. But the entrepreneurial mindset is a mindset of working together, of making deep changes in society. And some people also aim for endless riches. But riches is not the aim of life, but the purpose, the vision of who you are. That's the end goal of life. When we reach the state of that we are supposed to be, and to reach the state of who we are supposed to be, we have to go back to our childhood. Like I am doing the thing that I was doing as a child. I was giving lectures to other children about the meaning of life, about the meaning of God, about the possibilities that we have in life. And now I am doing this same thing, and I'm doing it in multiple languages. So I'm blessed that I can do my thing, because I have set my goals to attain the thing that I desire the most, to be in the flow, that my work is not work, but my work is my leisure time, that I am charging my batteries, I am charging my iPhone, you see. I am the great iPhone, and I'm plugged in to the system of the consciousness that is giving me the strength and knowledge and vision what to do. But when we are starting, so most people are working their 9 to 5 or 8 to 6, or in Scandinavia 8 to 3 work days, and they get money as salary for the work that they do per hour. Okay, it has got limitations, but they could start investing into stocks, into bonds, into jewelry, into precious metals, into watches, whatever, like 10 or 20% of their income. That's one way how to approach the freedom, the financial freedom, you see. But another way is to start your own business and start investing into your business the financials that you get from your main work, and you start taking small steps towards your projected and desired reality. And your reality consists of three aspects: the material, the social, and the paranormal reality, and they all go together. And when you start triggering your money towards a business, you start building a lifestyle around it, a lifestyle business that could help you to reach your greatest potential and actually attain material goods and a way of life that you desire to live. And you will learn a lot about yourself. You will learn about your personality. You will learn about your strengths and weaknesses. And you learn how to delegate your work, that you could go work with other people. For example, the creation starts that we set goals. Like I figured out for 10 years what is the real passion and soul of me, what I love doing. And it's so simple, so obvious for me that it was hard to realize. So I came to this conclusion few years ago, and then I started making steps for my other business ventures towards this ultimate goal of to be a speaker and a person who connects dots. But also I have had material goals. On this very moment I am working so I could spend time in my Italian villa. And for many years I was telling to people that I am building a house with my father, my own house for my family. I am married and I have a children. And I was telling the story. I had none of those, but I was telling the story because I was programming my subconscious mind to take action. And eventually it all happened. I built my own house. And on this very moment I'm creating my second house into Italy, you see. And that's the basis of manifestation, of attaining the things that you desire. And when you tell something on this present tense enough to your subconscious mind, it starts figuring it out and gives you clues how you can step on your success ladder to the things that you desire to attain. It's simple as that, but it needs persistence. Otherwise, you will fail and fall. I will bring you another example. As simple things like when we are working every day towards our goal, and we need to make small steps. So I write down things. In the beginning, there are small things that I can do for my business that it could grow or go forward. 6 things every evening. And when I go to sleep, I wake up in the morning and my subconscious mind has given me answers. In the beginning, subtle answers, but now it's giving me strong sensations and urge to work. I will bring you an example. This morning, I woke up with the knowledge what is going to be the title of my book. And last night I went to sleep with a question: what is the essence of money? Because the working title of my book was The Essence of Money. And this morning I woke up. I have I have the exact title written down somewhere now, but it was something like the essential part of money is luck, or luck is the basis of money. Something like that. So I understood, or I got an answer from my subconscious mind that luck is the energy of money. And luck is the thing that happens to us, but luck is that we work for and it comes to us. The more we put on repetitions for our work, we become lucky because we start attracting the right desired outcome that we wish to attain in this life. Simple as that. And by having those visions in the business that we are going to do, now I will bring you an example. When I'm doing those little goals, like I figured out the name of my book. Okay, why does it matter? Because I am going to make a product out of the book that will help me to attain new clients to my ecosystem. And by growing my ecosystem, I get cash that helps me to purchase the things that I wish to attain in my life, in my reality. And the book will be in 2 languages, in Estonian and in English. And I will let the AI to translate it from Estonian to English. And I will have it as an ebook and audiobook in both languages. And it will be my low tier offering. So it will bring me a client. When a client purchases something from you, most likely they will purchase more stuff from you in the near future. So that's the basis of attaining new clients. For €7 you get a book that is full of knowledge. You can listen, you can read it, but it generates me a revenue, new clients, a list of clients to whom I can propose new offers. And I'm doing it in 2 languages, so I will have a huge ecosystem of doing it. And that's all a result of the questions that I propose to my subconscious every day. And that's how I attain things that I desire in my reality. I start visualizing them. I start telling other people about my dreams. And then I start taking action on my business. So I hope you enjoyed. Join the waitlist. You can see it down linked. And see you soon. Subscribe.